background. We're walking east.
Sa may ito.
We're walking east. Baba kayo ng choke. Spread muna kayo ng east side ko before tayo mag-southwest.
Parang 1-1-1-2 lang IP nila 20.
Sige.
Hindi ako makatayo naka-discount.
Huwag muna kayo mag-food up. Sige. We're walking west side. Wala naman yung food up. Wala muna.
Dismounted here 20 west side.
Dismounted?
Nakatingin na.
Oh, food up pa. Everyone comes out kayo. South pa kayo sa open area. Don't get caught. OC na rin kayo. Sige na, pakitaan nyo ng show first. Step up tanks. Okay, we're walking west side. Step up na kayo onte, northwest.
Level 3 20.
Northwest, sige. Sige, sa northwest kayo duman. Yan, nice one. Okay, everyone, we're looking west side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito, can you kill that? Nice one, everyone. Okay, everyone, spread. Back muna kayo onte, observe that armies. Mag-engage sila. Patch. Nice one. Kahit lang muna kayo. We're getting on cooldowns. Kahit muna kayo east side. Come east side. Okay, dyan bla. East side. Sige.
We're going northeast.
Okay, walk northwest. West side kayo onte. Huwag kayo sa wall. Okay, we're gonna catch that choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the choke. Nawing dual. Can we kill that? Sige. Okay lang yan. Everyone ha. Hold the choke. Defensive tanks. Hold the choke. Okay, nice one. Okay, we're waiting for your cooldowns. Wala mo nang akit ng choke. Wala mo siya nang aggressive. Use and W's nyo lang yung mga nag-i-step up na tank na yan. Maganda pa bangga dyan. Okay, everyone walk up, then go north. Yan, dyan kayo mag-angle. North. Nice one. Sige. After natong okay, clean yung W's yung move. Okay, everyone look, we're looking east side. Ay, south side. Okay, south side. Never mind. We're going west side. Come north muna. We're gonna engage south ha. Look south ha. Look south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Can you delete this? Can you delete that? Wala, never mind. Sige. Come north muna. Defensive tanks keep holding ha. Sige, I'm gonna do the helmet. Sige, patch kayo, everyone patch. Survive. Come north muna kayo ante. You need to stabilize. Okay, nag-engage sila. Walks out, everyone walks out. We got 6 seconds on our engage. Listen Toshi. Okay, west side tayo, everyone ha. West side, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, medyo deep, sa baba lang, delete that, can you delete that, nice one, come north muna kayo, makatch kayo from the east side, nice one, hold up, nice one, nice defensive tanks, okay, spread naman, ay, stabilize na kayo sa likod, sige, we're holding this choke, sige, walang damage yung icicle, wala, naka-night silence sila, okay, we got cooldowns 5 seconds ha, nice one, okay, everyone, okay, we're holding this choke. Spread lang kayo, Ilya side. Ingat kayo dyan ha. Medyo, in danger kayo dyan. Ingat lang kayo dyan. Yung side na hindi ko kayo lahat ma-call out, pero that's the side. Ingat lang. Okay. Let's wait.
May fake sila 25 ito. Yung...
Kailangan natin sila mauna mag-engage. Ako lang engage niyo.
They're backing west side, 20 there.
Okay, everyone walk down the choke. We're going north. We're walking north. Spread while you walk north. Everyone, we're gonna engage west side deep. West side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep side. Kill that shit. Hey, let's go. Energy, everyone come west side. Don't get too comfy. West side. Keep walking west side. Catch those cheaters, spread. Actually, never mind. You're right. Ito mga nasa loob natin. Catch this. Defensive tank, set it up. Sige, catch the, Sino ka-catch
nila
natin?
nasa akin, no? Ito na color nila nasa akin. Peran.
Ito, dito ko.
Ito na lang, HOJ. Gusto ko ng HOJ niya.
One more blob here, remember.
Okay, regroup, come south, regroup on me. Ito yung karan, come south. Sige pa, south pa kayo.
Mounted pa sila.
Sige,
Remember me, 20. No,
sige, walk north.
They're going northeast, 20.
Sige, walk north. Cross the choke fast. Cross the choke fast. Did we loot? Can we loot? Nice one, bro.
Yeah.
Nice one, dude.
Remember me, bro.
Wala,
May nag-up na. Wala na, tumakbo na. Clear on.
Okay.
Ano yun?